وبركاته. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Fesasi. In this video, I will show you how to display an image in your application. You will see it's very easy. So let's start. Before this, I will download image from Google to use them. So I will go to image.google.com. But be careful, I will download an image for test. When you get an image from Google or other website, you must be careful about copyright. If you want to use an image for your application when you upload it in the Play Store or in the App Store, you can use it if the image doesn't have copyright, or you must buy it. Okay? But you can use a lot of image without copyright. I will give you a lot of resources about where you can get them in other video, inshallah. So here I will just get, for example, image as a millefeuille. I will get this image, Algerian millefeuille, Algerian. I will get this in millefeuille, no problem. So here, where is good millefeuille? I like it, this. Okay. And here, test. Okay, sorry. I will download the new image, Algerian dish, Algerian sweet, zlabia. It's for Ramadan. For example, tick, zlabia, mufarik. Yes, I like it. I like this one. Yes, I like this one. Let's get this, for example. Oh, no, yes, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, what I will make, I will put the two images in the resource here and exactly in the drawable directory. Okay, so I can here make a drag and drop. It's very easy, or copy paste as you like. So I will get them, picture, tester, Zapier, and and I make drag and drop. Don't know what I want. I put them here. Yes, okay. The first ones, and the second, where is it? With the new version, it's not very quick. From the studio. Okay. So now I have put my two resource or my two image in the drawable directory, and now I will add a new component to manage the image. And this component is called image view. You can get it from widget or from common, because it is used a lot of more. So here is image view. I will drag it here, and he told me to choose resource for this image view. Here I will choose, where is the project, and I will first thing I will choose Mayfair. It's good. Now I can change the layout high to get all the screen. It's good, as you can see. Okay, it's good because the layout now is for all the screen. Now I will test the application if the image is displayed or no. So let's start. fuck. You will see it's very easy. I will see now. As you can see, I have the image in my application. Now, I want to add a new thing, but you must Google to get the solution. Okay? What I want? I want to add the button here. Where is the button? Here, I want to add the button here. And when I click to this button, I want to change the image by the segment image. Okay? For this, I let you to Google to get the solution. I don't give you the solution directly. Why? Because for life of developers, Google is 80% of your work. If you don't know how to Google for any question, you will now go anyway. Okay? So Google, I will give you a lot of time, 10 seconds, 1 minute, as you like. Or you make pause for the video, search for 1 minute how to change the image, the source of image. When I click the button, I mean you change it in the main activity or in Java file, not of course not in the XML. So search the solution, and I will return after 1 minute, inshallah. So let's go. So I hope that you have found the solution. I will show you how to search the solution in Google. Okay? So here, where is the button? Change. I will go to Google, and here I will ask how change image source. And where I want to change image, in other words, you must specify the environment or the technology or the programming language, okay, to find the solution exactly where you want. So I will add an Android, and let's go. What can I get as a source? I have my account. It's a very, very good website, but I recommend you always to choose this website, Stack Overflow. If you don't know what is Stack Overflow, I will enter this image. If you know, Stack Overflow is a website where you can find the different question answer for different technologies. In a lot of programming language, you found them here. Okay, but you must respect some rules. You must, for example, if you want to add a new question, you don't put the question, how can I get image source? No, not directly. You must put your code, and if you don't have the result that you want to get, make put your question, add your code, add the error if you have any error, and tell them what is the goal, what you want to achieve, and you will see it's very, very quick to get the solution. Okay, so let's see here, changing image view source. Here I have this, as you can see, a lot of solution. I have, can use a background resource, or I will use this. I think I will use this because it's very, very easy. My image, set image resource. So I will take this section, copy, and I will go to my activity, and I will add the button method. Don't forget it. Where is on click? It's here. Change image source, for example. Okay, so here public void change image source and view. So here, so now I will manage my image view like this: image view image, and here find view by id r.id.image view. Remember, if you have here an error, cast or convert the method, result of the method, to like this, to image view. Maybe you get the error, huh? Image view like this. But with new version of the view, it's managed automatically. So now I will copy the instruction and I will change it with my image, and here I will add the new image that is snappier. So let's see. Remember, okay, let's see now. Ta-da! As you can see, it's very easy. Okay, now I will show you properties that is used a lot of for Android developers. It is where is the image? Here, go to. I have got it directly here because it's very used. Skull type. So here, change this property with what you want. For example, fit X and Y, and you can see here the size of image take all the place for the screen. And properties that is very used in the Android application, it's fit center the image, or the same thing with center. It's a very quick difference, little difference between fit center and center. Okay, skull type is very used with this property, so you can note it for your next Android application. And it is the last topic for this chapter. I will see you, inshallah, for the next chapter, how to manage image, also audio file and video. Thank you, a lot of brothers and sisters. I hope that we have now the basic concept of Android application: how to add text, how to add text view, how to add button, how to manage button, associate an action with the button, how to add an image, display message. As you can see, it's very important. There's some concept, and step by step we'll increase the level, inshallah. See you next chapter. Subscribe to my channel if it's the first one. Like this video and share it with your friends. I will tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.